Welcome to my channel. This is me, Brianna Shanice, and I'll be giving you guys a tutorial over this orange makeup look. So get into it. So I did my brows off camera. I'll be having an eyebrow tutorial soon. So now I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer as a base in the shade Fairest. Now I'm going in with an orange pigment by Myomakeup, and I'm just going to be packing that on my lid. This allows the pigment to be bright and saturated. Now I'm using the Juviasplace, the Magic Mini Palette, and I'm just going to be using the shades that I just shown to blend out that pigment. I'm going back in with the palette and I'm just pointing out the transition shades and the shade that I'm using to blend out that orange pigment. I'm using the e.l.f. eyeliner in jet black. So I'm pretty much showing you guys how to apply eyeliner. So now I'll be using my favorite strip adhesive for my lashes, and it's from Lash Couture, and it's a black eyelash adhesive. I'm applying these eyelashes by Mink Envy in the style Prissy, and I'm just going to be applying them on my lash line. These eyelashes are 24mm lashes, and they give my eyes a pop. So I'm using the foundation in the shade 355, honey, because I got some little dots that need taken care of. This is in the new shade, Suede. This is, it goes well. It doesn't give me too light of a color, but it does a good job of the eyes. Perfect shade. As you can see, I'll be using this as a highlight for all the areas that I want to be highlighted on my face. So I'll be using my beauty blender just to blend out that concealer so I can get that nice, smooth, finished look. my Juviasplace setting powder in the shade Kalahari. And I'm just going to be using that to set my concealer in place. And I am using the Real Technique sponge. So now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Warm Caramel, and I'm just going to be using that to brush off my setting powder. I'm going in with my favorite contour palette by Radiance, and it's called True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade Medium to Dark. Now I'm using the Saharan palette by Juviasplace, and I'm going to use that color I just shown in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade White, and I'm just going to put in that underneath my eyes. Next, the colors I just showed you from the Juviasplace palette, I'm going to be using that underneath my eyes. Now I'm applying the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter on my nose and on my cheeks. The shade is Molten Gold. I'm using a trick that I saw on TikTok as of where you use eyeshadow as a lip liner. It did a pretty good job with my lips, I must say myself. I'm going in with the NYX lip gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie, and I'm just going to be applying that on my lips, blending it out, and boom. Now I'm using mascara, and finally this is the ending. I'm spraying with my mist, and we're done. If I miss any products I use, all the products I use will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, do what you want, do what you can. I am out. Peace.